You know, there's been misconception that maybe we are going this direction for the sake of bailing out one organization. No, these are all liquid. They are doing very well. In fact, last year, significant amount of our budget support came from these agencies. And on their own, they are doing very well. But we want them to do better by being a regional player, not only at the country level, but the influence will be spread beyond the confines of the Kenyan boundary. Let me also mention a few of the collaboration activities that we have set out to achieve through this agreement, as this will be key in unlocking the benefits or efficiencies of this cooperation. Through this agreement, we plan to have a shared service on a number of areas. So that's our vision. How it's going to roll out is going to be the work of now the agencies working together, collaborating together. There will be no imposition. No one is going to impose anything on you. But mutually, we have to agree, amicably agree, on a roadmap of all activities that binds us together. If we can do our procurement better when we are together, then that's going to be explored. That is the activities that we have set for you. That one of them will be the issue of one of the shared services will be on procurement, promotion of market-based transport, encourage greater use of locally manufactured spare parts. That's why the issue of the numerical machining complex is going to be part of these agencies. National Treasury, as now the mother of these agencies, will now scan through all the legal arrangement, existing legal arrangement, regulations, and all the appropriate policies to create that harmony between all these agencies, that there's no overlap. If the areas that needs to be amended, we are going to work on it. In this regard, I undertake to ensure that the conclusion of all other agreements, including operational level agreements and other sub-agreements and structures to implement this framework agreement within the next 60 days of this framework agreement. As soon as we sign, we are going to constitute a team that's going to look at all these arrangements and finalize within a maximum period of 60 days. Allow me also to emphasize and assure all concerned stakeholders that the creation of this network will not lead to any loss of jobs. Contrary, it's going to increase the space for additional jobs. Because we focus more benefits for our people through improved business, reduction of transport costs, low cost of doing business, reduction of time for the transport of goods, and generally enhanced efficiencies rather. Because we also, the last few days, there have been a lot of talk. I think they are private, what we are going to do today. There have been a lot of press reports that the economy, of course, is going to be affected, that people are going to lose jobs. There's really nothing like that. There's no change of mandate of those various agencies. KPL continued undertaking its duties in line with its mandate.